Welcome to this Ziperase instructional video. In today's video, we'll erase a generic Intel-based computer using the bootable USB drive created with Ziperase software. You should already have the USB loaded up with Ziperase software and licenses. For instructions on how to do that, watch this video. There's also a link in the description below. This bootable USB drive erases laptops, Macs, desktops, and servers, anything with an AMD or Intel chipset, and we're going to see just how quick and easy it is. Let's get started. We'll start with the computer turned off, and then plug in the USB drive. Now power up your computer and look for a message on how to reach the boot menu. We can see a list of boot options on this screen, and here's the USB we want to boot from. On this PC, all we need to do is click on it. You might see extra instructions to save and exit on yours. Once booted, you'll see the Drive Erasure Client user interface, which is divided into 3 sections. Topmost is the System and Status area. On the right, you'll see some basic information about your computer, and you can click Computer to see the comprehensive list of specifications. Click the Extra button to add and edit extra fields. In the next video, we'll show you how to personalize your settings for different workflows and save them for later use. The Test button takes us to the Hardware Test menu. More on this in the next video. The Drive area is where all potential erasure targets appear. We're erasing a single drive today, but you can have multiple drives, and this area will scroll if there are more drives than fit on the screen. Below the drive area is the toolbar. Here we can see the configuration shortcut, and this is the number of licenses we have on this drive. You can load as many licenses as you need on one drive, and the number you have available will appear here. Then there's USB storage, reporting, and a power off button. Take note of the date and time on the bottom right. The erasure report will be stamped with this information, so it's important to have the time and date set correctly. You can click on the time and date section to reset it. Before we start, let's check that the right number of drives and the correct erasure method is chosen. Click on this drop-down menu to select the erasure method, or select Do Not Erase to exclude a disk from the process. When you're ready, click Start. All drives selected for erasure will begin at the same time. This progress bar will show you how much of the job is done, and you can also see how long it's been since the start and roughly how much time is left until the last disk is erased. To save you time erasing multiple clients, as soon as the wiping starts, you can take out the USB and start the same process on another device. Once erasure is complete, you'll see a message up here, and an erasure summary will pop up on the screen. You can scroll down to view all the details of this erasure, and you'll see a message that the report has been saved to the USB. The Extra Fields button provides another opportunity to add specific information about each erasure. Let's enter an operator ID, then click Apply to save and exit. You'll notice a warning that the report has unsaved changes. That's the extra information we've just entered. There's an option to include a support log, but for now, we'll just click Save. That's it, we're all done. You can close this window or power off the computer from here. We've added links in the description to the Quick Start Guide with written instructions for this process and the FAQs for USB erase on our website. If you need some extra help or you have a suggestion or query that isn't answered on our website or the user manual, there's also a link to the Ziperase support section where you can raise a customer service request. Thanks for watching.